Another budget item that you're going to have to consider for your production is production insurance. And so this is an insurance policy that you're going to get for a temporary span of time that is going to cover you while you're actually producing the film. So maybe it is just for a 2-week period or something like that. There are companies that specialize in production insurance. It could cost you anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000. So that might not be in your budget. You're going to have to think about that. So if you are able to create an LLC for your film, that might help to shield you legally from any legal challenges that occur. That's great. The next level of protection would be to get the production insurance. So that's going to cover if any person or any property is kind of damaged or injured in the process of making your film. All but one of our films have had that production insurance. I couldn't afford it with the $2,000 budget of Smells Like Community Spirit. So I just had to take that risk. And I understand if you do too. I'm not necessarily endorsing that, legal disclaimer here. I'm not advising anything officially legally, but these are things for you to consider and things for you to research and look into. Because if you get that production insurance, it could be really beneficial. They ask a lot of interesting and random questions. One of my favorite questions on the production insurance policy questionnaire when you're filing for that is they ask if your film involves any rap music or pornography. And that's one question. It's not two separate questions. I guess somehow it's viewed the same way by the insurance world that if it involves rap music or pornography, that maybe it's more dangerous than other things. So I guess be aware of that. And if your film involves rap music or pornography, maybe you might have to pay more for the production insurance.